Hello friends, my name is Rahul and I have prepared for you a new English lesson.
It's said that the lost city of Paititi, hidden deep within the Amazon rainforest, is a place made of pure gold. Many brave explorers have searched for it, but none have returned. One young boy named Matteo, however, grew up hearing stories from his grandfather, and he believed it was real. Years later, as a young man, Matteo gathered a small team and followed ancient maps and whispers of the native tribes. They battled giant snakes, treacherous rivers, and confusing paths. One day, during heavy rain, a landslide revealed a hidden passage behind a waterfall. Matteo and his team crawled through and found themselves in a valley where the buildings were not made of gold, but of a strange crystal that glowed in the sun. The descendants of Paititi welcomed Matteo, explaining that the gold was not riches, but their knowledge of living in harmony with nature. Matteo and his team stayed for a while, learning from the people and promising to keep their secret. They returned home, not with treasure, but with a deeper understanding of life's riches. If you like this story, please subscribe to the channel.